get up over here. First that here, babes. Nah, the OBS was had an update and it looked like it was gonna take like half an hour to update, but it was wrong. So we're good. Welcome. You can wait until everyone fills in. Let me just get this over here, and we'll wait for people to all fill in over here. What are we doing? There we go. Let's get this up and running. Welcome. So it looks like GJ is pretty bullish over here. 1 second. Let's just do something here. Yeah, get that off. Wicked. Let's go to Telegram over here, guys. And let's get ready. What the hell? There we go. Right, wicked. So London session. Welcome everyone. We're going to be looking at some trades over here. Right, beautiful. So all set and ready. Got zoom on. Beautiful. So let's take a look at some pairs over here. Let's take a look at Forex Factory first. First of all, we always have to check Forex Factory. We have GBP realized sales. That's okay. Not too bad. Got impulse buys, stop loss below, and wicks. Let's go. Yeah, looks pretty good to continue over here. So let's just do some analysis. So right here we have the daily flip. Nice. The 4 hour is coming up over here. The 4 hour is bullish. Looking nice. Looks like between Asian will be running up quite nicely over here. Now coming towards our session, starting to make some support 800 level to continue back up. Let's take a look at the 30 minute at 15. We can see that there is a support around about 156724. Looks like we are blasting off right now though. Damn. So let's see what time it is. Wow, there's a lot of volume coming in, not too bad. Your entry is 156853 are here. Nice. We'll stop loss to break even now. Hopefully you can continue. Looks pretty good. So the first resistance that I see on GJ is, let's take a look over here, is around about here, 156950. Beautiful. And if we do exceed those highs, let's take a look at the 30 minute. Yeah. We could potentially continue. 157385, I think. So this is a nice zone for me to trade in, I think. Yeah, 40 pip range. Oh, that's pretty juicy. So could look for that. But yeah, I want to see how this. Maybe let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so 22 minutes till the hourly closes. We'll have to see. Because at the moment there is no confirmation to take any buys here. I mean, I think you guys took some impulses, which is fine, but you know, we try and find some good trade setups. Morning, Mr. Whistler. Morning. No whistling today. I'll try. Let's take a look at gold over here then, guys. Let's take a look at gold. Gold did the exact move that we wanted to do yesterday through the sessions. We were looking for buys around about this area over here at 1 o'clock. Finally did this. Wow. This shows you really closing like this with a lower wick exceeding. That would have been nice. Just stop loss below. Very tasty. But yeah, a lot of volume through NY. You know, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, perfect times. Now it's starting to range over here. So let's take a look. Let's do a fresh analysis on the daily time frame. Let's take a look. Daily is bearish over here. Bearish. Sorry, is it daily bearish? Yeah, daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish. So two higher time frame times are contradicting each other, which is a bit unfortunate. Because if they do contradict each other, it's a bit harder to take any trades. The hourly over here is rejecting them highs, starting to come down over here. Let's take a look at the 15. Start to see there's like a minor support here. There's quite a lot of traffic, to be honest. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it's quite choppy, to be honest with you. For me, probably not the best to take trades. No bottom wick in the 15 on GJ for an entry. Oh no, there is one, a little one. But yeah, I mean, it's still here. I mean, you can't predict that. I think people get into this trade now here. Yeah, just got about 10 pips, you should be okay. But you know, you need to get in and out. Your stop loss should be a break even for sure now, and you have to just see how far it can push up over here. But yeah, gold for me is not the best spot. I don't like the 15-minute. I don't like the 30-minute. Quite chalked. It's in this range from 1804 to 1805. So yeah, I'm waiting for a bit closures. I want kind of the hourly and the 4 hour to not contradict. I want them to go together because it'll be so much easier when the trades are similar. With the higher time frames pointing in the same direction. As you can see here, the 4 hour is bullish, the daily is bearish. Let me read that. There we go. Ooh, we've got a new subscriber here. Thank you, Zach Huston, for subscribing to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. We're here every single day. We're here every single day. Yeah, yesterday we took 4 trades. It was mad. The only problem for me was that I broke the high in the first few minutes. Yeah. I think GJ there, you couldn't have got in. That's very impulsive. As you can see here now, coming back down, so we're chilling. I'm still looking for buys, but probably above 960 to be honest, because we have resistance here. When we get past that, I think it should be good. Should be good over there. But yeah, it's a good start to the week already. Yesterday was very, very good, so we're gonna try and keep that up over here for sure. 4 hour looks good. Alright, GJ, let's take a look. Oh, this is FXCM. Why am I not on Owanda? It's okay though today. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. The daily looks good. I think all time frames are looking good to continue bullish over here. But sure, for sure. If you guys do have any charts, make sure you send them into the chat. Yeah, I tried on my beautiful AirPods. Very, very happy with them. The charging case is sick as well. Like it a lot. Let me take a look at GBP/AUD as well. Let's take a look. Okay, nice. The 4 hour as well is coming up over here. So, daily over here bearish. The 4 hour is bullish. So, 2 higher time frames contradicting each other again on one pair. The reason why I kind of stay away from that when price does this is because of the fact that if 2 higher time frame pairs, if 2 higher time frames are contradicting, it may show that price is indecision, has a bit of indecision, and doesn't really know where it wants to go. But we'll have to see. Yesterday's a lot of bearish momentum. Looks like Asian pushed a lot today as well. Damn. But yeah, I think gold could continue up, but for me, it's going to be interesting. 17 minutes time where it closes. I think that'll be pretty interesting. As we said, news on our side, we're all good. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet though, and if you're here every single morning, make sure to like the stream. Free knowledge, free learning. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're gonna do that. Yeah, I'd get that rid of here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So yeah, I'm gonna be focusing more towards GJ, I think. That was interesting though. This 5 minute rejecting them highs pretty solidly. Ooh. So that is going to be interesting. So for me, we do have kind of resistance around this time as well. 156.830. In case GJ closed at 745 above the broken zone, close small bullish, a strong wick rejection. Do you see it as an indecision, or is it going to fill the wick up? Probably an indecision, and it can fill the wick up, but the probability is like 50-50. I wouldn't take that. I think it'd be quite a risky trade. a bit risque. Dude, why are the room so fucking cold? It's freezing. If it closed like that. Yeah, so I think people here who are in a trade and they took an impulse, yeah, stops to break even. And it's retraced the whole way, to be honest. Yeah, we need a low wick to continue. Yeah, I think we wait for this hourly to close. It gives us a bit more confirmation. Look at the wicks rejecting the lows. Oh, looks good, looks good. Yeah, looks good, but we'll have to see, But yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of targets as well. We look, you know, left, nah, pretty good. Take student loans, sell gold, full margin, no stop loss. Be a man, yeah. Put your whole student accommodation on that. One trade. Make or break. Yeah, look, so quite in fact, I mean, the price action here isn't the best. Like, even this candle here that's run off, it's just a bit choppy at the moment, unfortunately. Looks like GA is continuing up, though. Look at the 30 minutes, making some supports, waiting for lower wicks like this one. Looking pretty nice. As we said, gold, I don't really have much opinion on gold because the daily is bearish and the 4 hour is bullish. So I'll only probably be looking for gold when we exceed these lows over here. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, maybe like probably around about 1803, I think. Because if you get past here, we're flipping the 4 hour and should be continuing down. Let's take a look at the 4 hour just in structure. Yeah, so you know, if we do reject these highs, over here and come down and flip, then this is going to be a nice candle to drive down, I think. Maybe. So that could be an option for sure. I have to take a look though. We'll see. It'll make perfect sense when we go to London Open, see where the moves are. But in the meantime, we just chill, relax, got my cup of tea. Ah, good shit, nice. What about tomorrow? Any news? No, nothing. So London this week, sorry, has been very, very clean. With the news, been no news really. Which ain't too bad. If you want 19 likes, guys, make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already. Bash that like button, takes 2 seconds. And it sorts the boy out. Wow, look at this. If this candle closes 15 minutes as well in 30 minutes time. Oh. We have had a closure though, we haven't had a top wick. Oh. That could be interesting. It is quite erratic though at the moment. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. We're keeping an eye on the 5 minute. It is tapping the zone that we want to leave, so if it does flip up over here, this could be a little entry with a 7 pip stop. Okay. Fish tank did the update quick morning. Fish tank did the update. Yeah, they updated pretty fast actually. They said it was going to take over an hour. I was like, oh shit. But some lightning speed, boy. ACE looks like a key level in the 4 hour. Yeah. Let's take a look at the 5 minute now. Ooh, look at the 1 minute. Interessante. Oh, it's coming up over here. Now you've had the closure. I think this could be a opportunity maybe. Let's take a look. Start recording. Where's my magic keys? Because we've rejected the low, we've already tapped it. We've got a nice 7 pip stop over here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this trade over here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Okay, so I'm gonna write the signal out in a second, but I've got into a trade over here. Stop loss below. To continue bullish. Yeah, it's 10 minutes before the open, that's fine, but I do think we're rejecting them lows already. We should continue. How am I going to manage risk over here? I'm show you in a sec. Just let me write it first. And then yeah, we should be Gucci. Should be Gucci. Let's take a look. London session. So the reason why I like it is because we have a nice stop loss. So 873. Nice. Our stop loss is literally at 800, so we've got a 7 pip stop loss, which is fine. And I really think we can continue. Let's take a look here to the left. Yeah, to 157 as well, 157.030 and 157.380. I think that's nice. I think that's a nice 7 pip stop that I'll take all day, every day. So we'll take a look. So what am I going to be doing, right? How am I going to be managing risk? Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Oof. So for me, 5 minute now, if we come back in this zone over here, so 832, I'm going to be taking off 50%. We shouldn't come back down and tap a zone anymore. We've already done it once. I want it to start running off. If it doesn't, then that's fine. 50% off. So taking off 50% at 156.830, that's making me even have a thinner stop loss, a tighter stop loss, which is great. Take 50%. Oh shit, we're coming down over here. Off at 1 second. Off at 156.830. Oh. Beautiful. So coming down over here, I'll have to see. The 50 minute has closed bullish though. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if we can still continue over here. If not, then that's fine. That's fine. Which pair, please? This is GJ. This is GJ. And yeah, see if we can continue. So I'm ready with my magic keys to take off 50% if you come to this low. That's how I'm managing my risk. That's how I'm managing this trade. So from a 7 pip stop loss, I'm managing half at 3 pips. So very, very good. All time frames are bullish, so we are in the higher time frames. And just wanting the push right now. And if we can't get that, then I'm going to manage risk and we have to wait a bit longer. On GJ. We'll have to see, we'll have to see. But it's a closure above, making the lower wick, exceeding and flipping. It's a textbook trade, we take this all the time. The good thing is that we've got such a tight stop loss here as well. So, you know, always managing the trade. So here I'm gonna, if I lose here, I'll probably lose like 5 pips. Very, very good. Very, very nice. And take a look at some other charts as well very, very soon. Yeah, it looks like gold is coming down. It's just flipped the 4 hour over here. Oof. Gold 4 hour flip. Yeah, man, that looks good. That looks pretty good to continue down. Getting a closure in 7 minutes time, I think that could be pretty good. Pretty good, eh? Pretty good, eh, mate? That'll be pretty interesting, I think. Oh, GPAUD on a run. Jeez. Jeez. Go on 5 minutes. Go on 5 minutes. Go on 5 minute, boy. Come on, 5 minutes. Off topic, but does Ted trade gold in Asian? Every so often he does. But it's mainly just 8 AM, 9 AM Eastern. He sometimes trades in London as well. I spoke to him yesterday and he said he's been trading London a little bit recently. So yeah. So it's 7 minutes, okay, towards the hourly open. I know the hourly is going to be making a bottom wick, so do I really want to be in this trade towards the end of this hourly? No. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be putting my stop loss to break even and hoping we just get a push, okay? So stop loss entry. This is making it a risk-free trade, okay? A risk-free trade, which is beautiful. Stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. Hopefully we can continue. If not, that's fine. But let's see if we can hit TP over here. If we do, we're going to get some dubs in the chat. But pretty good, continuing over here, exceeding the highs. Hopefully we can continue. That'll be delicious for me. So up around about 5 pips over here. Hopefully we get the last push and then we should be good. What would you see your average monthly gain is? Around about like 16 to like 25-30% maybe. Yeah. I mean, look at this, beautiful. Come on, give me that last push so we can get a dub in the chat. Give me that last push, boy. 875, nearly here now, guys. Nearly here. And that'll be another dub, as usual. Come on, give me that last 2-3 pips, you little shit. Come on, boy. Let me take the look to the left, though. Ooh, some rejections here. I may actually take some off very soon. Have to see. Come on, give me that last push, boy. Give me that last push, boy. Really solid trade here, though. So 5 minutes left of the candle. Come on, give me that last push I need, boy. Come on, man. If not, that's fine. But you know, it's towards the hourly. Why would I want to hold it on? You know, I know we're bullish, but you know, why would I want to hold on the trade, risking money when I can have a break-even trade over here? Because the hourly has to make a bottom wick, so I don't want to be caught in that. So you know, take your trade as it is, and if it can't continue, then that's a shame. But I think it should be good. Come on, give that little push. It just needs a little bit of a push to itself, bless it. So I'm seeing some resistance over here, which is a bit of a shame, but I still think with London volume should be good. Hey man, I'm trading on my binary account. Got any tips for trading in the London session? Doing 1 minute trades. Ooh, 1 minute trades are very hard. I think you can be skewed. You need to look at all time frames. You look at all time frames. It'll make your trades a lot easier, a lot safer. How do you get that monthly gain with only 1% risk and 10 pips? I risk 1.4% and 10 pips is all you need. If you consistently get 1.4% for 20 days in a month, then you do the maths. But it's coming down over here, unfortunately. Maybe you can continue. What a shame. We'll have to see. Watching the 5 minute over here. Come on, flip up, boy. You know, it is coming towards a big volume times, though, so you have to be careful. 53 viewers, amazing. This is a risk-free trade, everyone who is in the YouTube. A risk-free trade. It means that we can't lose the trade anymore. But it is rejecting it, which is a bit of a shame. But hey ho, what can you do? What can you do? The one thing is that I don't want to be in a losing trade or a drawdown trade towards the end of an hourly candle for sure. So yeah. At the moment it's good. Come on, flip up, boy. Where's the volume, boy? Don't go down. Let's take a look at gold though. Oh, look at that. Wait for that hourly closure here for gold. Holy shit. Very important. Oh, we're still going. Flip that 5 minute, boy. But yeah, I got the AirPods are good. I mean, they actually fitted, which I'm very happy for. So I'm going to use them at the gym today. We have to see how they compare to my other ones. They're so light though, so I'm like, oh yeah, pretty cool. Just watching GJ over here being a pussy. But you know, when you're in a trade just before the hourly, you have to be in and out, as in like break even very quickly, because you know you don't want to be in this trade with risk on the table when volumes come in. Come on, look at that 1 minute. Come on, this 1 minute needs to blast. Come on, boy. There we go. Come on. Come on. How long has it got left for the 15? Oh, a minute left. Oh, is it going to be enough? I have to survive the lower wick, which I'm probably not going to. So I already put into my mind that this is probably going to be a break-even trade, unless you run off straight away, which normally we don't. So probability-wise, I'm not probably going to make this trade. But if we do start running off straight away, then I'm pretty good over here. Come on, here we go. If you do get a jump in the chat, you guys have to thank me, yeah. Got stopped out? Oh, you got stopped out? No. No, no, no. I'm not getting stopped out over here. So up around about 8-9 pips. Come on. Finish it! Oh my god. Finish him. So people, if people do want to take this trade off now, it's fine. It's going to be very, very close now. Holy shit. So coming towards TP1 hit right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got a double in the chat, guys, as usual. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. As usual. Shock horror, shock horror. Another beautiful trade. Nice. There we go. Great. And now it's continuing over here. Beautiful. Beautiful. She's beautiful. W in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And here we go now. The bottom wick's getting created. TP1 hit. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So there you go. As I said, and I've talked about it so many times, before the 8 o'clock candle, we can take a trade. But when this opens, look at the bottom wick. Just cause instantly. I'm still in this trade. My run is still on. But I did take off 80% off the table there at 10 pips. Very, very easy. W in the chat. Beautiful, guys. Welcome, welcome. Well done, well done. Sorry. Very, very nice. Another W in the chat. I need them signals, bro. Get on the mentorship then, bro. And hopefully this runner's gonna run like a bitch now. Let's do some stories over here. We just got a dub in the chat. GJ Trey, let's go, let's go. Up about 30 pips now for a runner. Nice. Dubs in the chat, let's go. Beautiful. And there you go, guys. So should continue over here now. All time frames are bullish, so don't be afraid about that, man. All time frames are bullish. Oh fuck. Oh shit, my runner's flying. Oh sheesh. Holy mother of God. I'm up 17 pips, guys. 17 pips. 17 pips. Beautiful. Let's take a look to the left over here. Oh nice. Right, I'm gonna be taking off a bit more over here. Leaving the rest to run now. Beautiful. So very, very easy. You guys need to like the stream, guys. What are you guys doing? Like the stream, boy. Let's take a look over here. Very, very easy day. Very, very easy. So, you know, I saw the bottom wick forming and I was very, very happy to take that trade. And then obviously, as it came towards the 8 o'clock, you have to be careful because the low wick needs to form and this can tap you out. And there we go. So just hit 20 pips over here. Beautiful, beautiful. So TP2 hit over here. And yeah. Who says trading's too hard? It's very, very easy. You have to just stick to your rules and it pays. Pays very, very nicely. So yeah, congratulations, guys. Great, great trade. So let's write this in our trades taken. GJ by plus I've got 25 pips now. Very, very nice. Smash it, just goes 8% at 20 pips. Beautiful. Welcome. Sorry, no, welcome. Well done, everyone. Well done, everyone in Zoom who caught that as well. This is running like a motherfucker now. God dang. Beautiful. 35 likes, guys. If you guys caught that trade with me, make sure you like the stream. What are you guys doing? Like the stream, man. Like 100 likes on that. Come on, I just gave you free money. Very, very simple. So what we're doing now, we're not being greedy. You know, we're taking off our risk, but TP3 is right above here. Oh, why is it taking off my position? Oh, the TP was set. That's a bit annoying. fuck's sake. The whole position is off over here, but beautiful. I think it'll run to these highs. So this is an absolute delicious trade that we caught. Max, can you explain the GJ trade? Yeah, candle closing above on the 15-minute right here. Wait for the lower wick, rejecting the lows again, and come and flip back up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very, very simple, easy trade to take. Thank God I didn't miss the stream today. Beautiful. Amazing. It's up for quite a lot now over here. So if you take a look and look at the message, yeah, this is good. It's like 30 pips. Very, very nice. Beautiful. And there we go. Simple stuff, man. Yeah, just closing above. You know, higher time frames are all bullish. Wait for the lower wick. The lower wick over here has tapped this zone. 1 second. The lower wick has tapped this zone here. Right here, and then now it's rejecting, flipping the candle, stop loss below. 7 pip stop, may I add? 7 pip stop for a 30 pip gain. That is a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So yeah. Well done, Max. Thanks for the session. I'm off. Yeah, glad you didn't miss the session. Yeah, man. Thank God for that. I got stopped at break even. Ah, it's okay. Yeah, I nearly got stopped out there, but I didn't in the end. I didn't. Secured all. Great call. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed that trade. For a morning. Right, let's take a look. The hourly didn't close below for me, so I'm not really too asked about gold at this time. Yeah, beautiful J. Very, very nice. Thank God the OBS started working again. Yeah, I know. It was lagging out, man. My entry was 888 and got a big even trade. Ah, that's all good. That's all good. 888. That's all right. So let's see. How do I keep it over here? Yeah, I got in at 872. That one over here would have caught you out. But did you get 10 pips here though? Or was it before? Yeah, like this one here. Maybe took you out. That was a lovely 2% trade. Nice. It's all good. It's all good though. No, you win. Sorry, not you win some, you lose some. You you know, you acknowledge the trades that you could have taken, and if you missed them, that's fine. But you know, like, so people don't at me and people go, oh, Max, you know, getting early, you just got an exceeding high. I'm like, well, yeah, but like, why don't I just wait for the low wick to form first? The next one, get a closure above resistance. So, you know, this is resistance. This is the closure. This is the confirmation. Then the low wick is forming, and then you enter in the flip. Yeah, that's exactly the same as our setups. If we take a look at our setups over here, and we get a where is it? Closure above. There we go. This trade. This is exactly what I took today. Closure above. This is the confirmation candle. This is the lower wick forming here, and then entry candle when we flip. Bob's your uncle. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That was a perfect example of tapping previous zones and rejecting to continue up. Yeah, exactly. Price tapped the zone, didn't want to, it retraced all the way back up. Happy to take the trade. 7 pip stop as well. So yeah, very, very nice. And we were managing risk as well. I was going to take off 50% at 836. So, you know, overall, I would have taken 50% off at around about 4 pips and the rest at 7. So I would have taken around about a 5 to 6 pip loss that trade. That is very, very good, you know, that's a very good. And then we've just hit 30 pips, like that's a huge risk to reward. So, you know, beautiful. Oh my God, GA really, really shooting up over here. Damn, son. Yeah, gold is just tripping. It's got 21 minutes left for that. Not too bad, not too bad. If you guys do have any questions or anything, make sure you come and ask me them in the comments. We've got no charts for the stream over here. Everyone was obviously quite happy with this charts today. Yeah, very, very simple. It's the thing I do every single day. So now we've taken 5 trades this week, 1 loss, 4 wins. Okay, that's how we move. That's how we move. We used to pray for days like this, for times like this. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, but now, you know, when we get the volume, when we get the movements, you have to execute. So yeah, very, very nice. Beautiful. Very, very good. Connor, shout out to Connor. He messaged me, he goes, my guy, I know realistically if I'm in, your prob's in too. Yes, sir. That's what good, you know, good minds think alike. My question is, what is the direction for GU? Well, let's take a look. So, when you try and find the direction of a pair, you have to start on the higher time frames and you work your way down. You know, I always talk about, you know, the trades that you want to get in. You have to look at all of the time frames, because what's the point in just looking at one of the time frames? Okay, it can skew your vision. You look at all of them. So, you know, what is the daily showing us? Well, the daily to me, what's it showing? Someone tell me. Someone tell me in Zoom, one word. What's the daily kind of show me from the previous one? Very, very simple. Or in YouTube, someone tell me. Someone tell me. What's the price doing? Came up. What's it doing now? Support forming. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So the support is forming. Nice. The daily is coming up over here. The last one was bullish. This one is also bullish right now. We always draw the flips. And the reason why we draw the flips is because it means in the lower time frames I can see when we're changing higher time frames. And you can see here as well the 4 hour is looking nice. So I'll move that here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good now. There is rejection. So for me, you know, on the hourly, I can see that there is a resistance around about this level, 137,876. Nice. And then to continue back up over here. Pretty nice. So, you know, closures above over here I think going to be pretty good. Support form and now go to retest the high. Yeah, exactly. Retest the highs by making some support. Exactly. Upward trend. Yeah, support. Beautiful. Yeah, so upward trend and support has been formed. So for me, look where are the lines, right? The lines are below where price is, so I'm bullish for the day because the higher time frames are bullish. So for me, getting a closure above will be pretty nice over here. But it looks like we are rejecting. See where it tapped? It literally tapped this zone, and it was like, nope. It was like, nope. Let's take a look at GJ then. So GJ hit TP2. Hey, Madam Max, do you still record your trades with Trello? Nah, unfortunately I do not anymore, because if I did that, I would have literally no time in the day. I'm flat out right now. Like I'm working, ridiculous amount of hours. So no. That kind of setup, break resistance and entry on the flip of the candle, you take it. Doesn't matter what time frame it happens. I mean, isn't it a stronger combination in a higher time frames rather than just on the 15? Yeah. You can do them on all time frames. That's why I like the 4 hours on gold. Like, for example, yesterday, I think Raja was trying to take sells on gold, and I was like, why are you trying to take sells? The 4 hours bullish. It's just making a lower wick. And then, I was right. It kind of happened over here. But yeah, like the 4 hours are always saying stuff. So like here, the 4 hour made the lower wick here, continued, flipped, exceeded the highs here, and continued. JPY is in the problems long time. It's time to become stronger. Yeah, sure. UJ buys. I won't be looking at UJ really through NY London session, because the volume will come through NY session. And yeah. So we'll see where this closes in 47 minutes time for the hourly. Looks like it retraced a lot though, but that's fine. We got our trade and we got out. So with a 7 pip stop loss with a 30 pip gain. You know what I'm saying. But you can see if you look at the candles, we got to 10 pips, and then this move to 30 was pretty much instant, like 1 5-minute candle. So this is where you can hold your trades on like for like a couple more minutes, and there you go, you just got 30 pips. So it's really good reward like that. So on that trade over here, I made 3.9%. If anyone's interested. So and I made around about 5% yesterday, so I'm already up 8% for the week. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship, oh, we've got a new subscriber over here. Thank you very much, Cali Dash, for subscribing. If you guys do want to join the mentorship group and eat the same way I am, and you know, learn how to trade properly, I put the link over here. If you guys haven't liked the stream already and you've learned something today, what are you doing, man? Like the stream. Like the stream. Like and subscribe to this channel. We are growing at a big rate, so I think by Christmas we could hit maybe 2,000, maybe? I don't know. We'll have to see. So 1,276 subscribers. Jeez! We started streaming in like July, so doing pretty well. GBP/USD rejecting the highs. Okay. Max, what commission do you have on one lot? Is it 5 quid? Yeah, 5 quid. 5 quid, boy. What the fuck is this? Verify your account. My account's already verified. What the fuck? I know that I heard you in a tiny man. Why is it changed again? What the fuck? Oh, I don't like that. Anyway, yeah, pretty good. Yeah, if you guys do want to join IC Markets, yeah, give me a head up if you guys do want to join IC Markets. It's pretty good. Are you a student of Raja Banks? I'd have to say no. I learned to trade by Raja. I learned everything with Raja, but I didn't join his market fluidity. But everything I learned was from Raja and Ted, really. Yeah. And that was just from, you know, I've said it so many times, but that was literally from the whole of YouTube, not YouTube, the whole of my university. I'd go on here, I'd type in Wix Don't Lie every single morning, and I'd watch every single one of his streams for 2 years straight, until it got to a point where I didn't have to look at his charts anymore because his chart work was the same as mine and his entries were the same as mine. Okay, so what is your TP3 on GJ? For me, it's going to be 380. Right above here. Yeah, 380. It'd be nice. I'll have to see if I can hold on there over here. But yeah, that's what I did, and I just came to the charts every single day, did the same setups, and this is why, guys, I say to you guys, you need to really try and send me charts, because that's the way to improve. Looking good to head up to 380 if we close strong on 30. Yeah, for sure, for sure. How much percent are you up this month and week? This month, around about 25% actually. I'm up quite a lot. And then this week, I'm up well, 5 plus 4, so it's like kind of like 9%, 8%. So yeah, not too bad for this week, guys. How much is the course? I don't have a course, but I have a mentorship, which basically is a course. I mean, you know, the stuff I do is quite in depth, but it's only $49.99 a month. Wow, there's a lot of questions here, guys. I like that. Let's take a look. Got my first win yesterday because of you on my 200 USD account. Just testing the waters on live trading, and I hope I'll be good as you. Just what lot sizes to take are confusing. Any tips? With the 200 USD, you know, either use a 0.02 or, you know, 0.03 lot or 0.04 lot, depending on the percentage and the pip size. So do this over here. I think people are wanting that. Yeah, easy to risk trades with broken funds. How do you get such a good percentage with only 10 pips, bro? So if you guys are a bit confused with the whole 10 pips situation, you need to really look at my YouTube over here. So go to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't get the concept of oh, come on, right? Who's this? Who's Casa? Come on, Casa. How much is the mentorship in dollars? Well, just go on Google, type in £49.99 to dollars, and there's your answer. Come on, man. If you can't do that, then you know you're pretty fucked over here. So if you guys are interested with the 10 pips, it's called this one. Is 10 pips enough in Forex? And I basically explain why it's about percentage gains. You know, if I risk 1.4% on a 10 pip trade with a 10 pip stop, and I make 10 pips, that's exactly as someone making 100 pips with a 100 pip stop. Okay, and you have to remember that. So I go through examples. I go through 2 examples with their different accounts and stuff. It's very, very good. I'd watch it. You're getting gulag questions now, bro. Oh yes. What do you think about the 2-hour setup on GJ? I don't know. I think let's take a look here. 2-hour time frame. Looks pretty good. Got an hour and 40 left. Should continue, I think. But has been rejecting quite a lot over here. But my chart's already been done. Sorry, my trade's already been done. How do you decide on lot sizes so fast? What? How do you decide on lot sizes so fast? What do you mean? Well, like before, I was telling someone. It's just basic maths. I did maths at uni, man. I'm not dumb. Like, if you've got a £1,000 account and you want to risk 1%, you know, that means you can lose £10. So you're going to use a 0.1 lot. Take me to the Zoom. You've got the membership link, and then you can come to the Zoom. The boys are all in here. We got Finn over here. Come say hi, Finn.
That legend.
Sap can't.
Sorry, Max just started to talk.
Bloody can't, like.
You're gonna love this, Max.
What?
I closed that GJ trade right before the hourly.
Did you? Good lad. Good lad.
I was like, oh, it's gonna come and stop me out. May as well take some profit. And then
yeah. Thing is though, it might have, you know. It might have. It came down all the way here. It was like 1 pip away. So, you know, that's just the
we all closed. It was kind of sad.
Yeah, it's all good though. I think you need to always remember that, you know, if the hourlies are approaching, the hourly doesn't need to make a bottom wick, so just take something, because, you know, the amount of times where this candle will open, it'll tap your fucking break even. You're like, oh, for fuck's sake, like, you know, you can always do that for sure.
I think I closed fully at like 10 pips, I can't lie.
Yeah, wicked. Well, it hit 10 pips before the hourly, so that was good. Yeah. Wicked. Well, looks like we all ate nicely over here. But look, so 30 minutes now. It's closing in 9 minutes time. It's closing, kind of rejecting these highs over here. So not the best, but yeah, wicked. So yeah, NY session. Will
you said my name. What were you actually after?
Well, Finn, I just wanted to say hi. I miss your accent.
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Actually after.
I was like, oh fuck, what does he want?
He likes the accent.
I like the Australian accents. We got so many Australians in here.
Yeah, we're all in. There's a few of us in Discord now.
Mate, there's a lot. There's more Australians than anyone else, I think. It's mad.
They're fucking weapons.
Wicked. Let's take a look at gold then. Yeah, 8 minutes time. I mean, I may wait for this 30 minute to close. Hopefully it could be good. Coming up in the trading world, yeah, man. Got a lot of Aussie trades. Aussie. Pimp gold shorts look good. Yeah, I think gold shorts do look good. And the 4 hours on our side. The daily is. Let's take a look where the daily closed before. Yeah, so like the issue I have, right, is look how strong this candle was before. Look at where it closed. It closed above resistance here and here. So, you know, is this just making the lower wick to then continue bullish? Probably. So, yeah, you have to always kind of put things into perspective there, because, you know, this does look very, very similar to, if this was a 30-minute time frame over here, we'd probably be balls deep in an entry if this candle flipped here, wouldn't we? So, you know, it is just making the lower wick. You know, all time frames do show the same story, it's just at different times. I want an Aussie accent. So, where can I send my chart, because it's not working on YouTube? Go on Discord. I'll take a link. Go on Discord, but make sure to go to the rules and yeah, 1 second. Okay. So wow, there's a lot of questions over here. Damn, we got like a new audience today. Like, damn. Let's take a look. Me too, man. Maybe the money has gone to his head, taking careless and don't trade and preaches education. Wait, who are you guys talking about? I stopped watching Raja months ago. Oh, okay. It was far too risky. Yeah. Yeah, I think And, I think he's doing some good trades now, but he's not doing his trades that he's been teaching people for years now anymore, which is a bit of a shame. So can you explain what liquidity is in trading? So liquidity is just the volume. So how much liquidity is pumping in the markets is basically how much volume. That's how I kind of explain it. Liquidity is just how much volume's in over here. So if there's a lot of liquidity, there's going to be a lot of moves, a lot of pushes, a lot of volume. If there's more liquidity, normally your stops, so your spreads are tighter. If there's less liquidity, normally your spreads are a lot bigger. Why is it exactly 1.4% that you risk? So, always think about people with risk, okay? You have to do a one that's comfortable for you. So, for example, right, I'm happy with 1.4% because, for example, today, my stop loss was, 6 pips, 7 pips. If you work out the maths, that's kind of about 1% loss. Most of my trades on the Telegram over here that we take, so if you take a look at the Telegram, most of my trades that I lose, so I took a trade here yesterday, -7 pips. So normally around about -7 pips. So really helping me manage my risk. So it's around about 1% loss. That's just how I'm comfortable with, Just find your comfort level and just stick to it.
Yeah, I have one question, Max.
Yeah.
If you have a 7 pip stop, you use the same lot size for 10 pips?
Yeah. I always have the same lot size. It's the set lot size for the month, because what people will do, and everyone will be kind of not blind to this. Everyone will be kind of in the same boat over here. But like, for example, like the trade that we got in before, because you got such a nice tight stop loss, you probably go, oh well, I've got a smaller stop loss now, so let me increase my lot size. But you're still risking the same. It's like and you're shorting in the amount of your stop loss to have. I just think having a set one for the month is just a lot easier to do. I think changing it as time goes on is bad. Just go on Magic Keys, press F7 on it, and set them to a certain lot size, and there you go. As long as you know your
F7.
As long as you know your what's it called? As long as you know your stop loss isn't like fucking 20 pips, and it's always like 10 to 12, then you're good. Let's take a look for charts for the stream then over here. Beautiful.
Thank you.
No bother, my man. Wicked. So resistance formed. Okay. Price broke resistance. Yep. Resistance becomes support. 4-hour rejections moving to London Open. Nice. Had buy stops above the candles. Wow, she got in very early here. Looks like it played out nicely. So had buy stops above the candle. Stop loss below the wicks. Nice. Secured 70% at 18 pips, and then a runner hit a 30. Wow, amazing. Very nice. Beautiful. Very simple.
You see the cam, yeah? Does that work? The camera.
The camera? What?
The video cam. Like, like when every time I join the Zoom, it puts it shows my face and stuff, and then I close it.
Oh yeah, wait. I think I can see you guys. Yeah. Wait, like here. Yes, I think you have all you guys here.
Sometimes I forget to turn my camera off. I'm like, oh shit.
Nah, soon I want all the boys to have their cameras on over here, be vibing.
Yeah. I just gotta remember to turn mine off sometimes.
So beautiful capital guy, you got a good trade. GA by EMA to trade, 21 EMA above 50 EMA and vice versa. Nice. Whatever that is, it sounds great. All I look is candles and candle closures. So, what am I going to be seeing here now, guys? What am I seeing here? Pretty obvious. We got some resistance forming. Resistance came all the way up over here. Price is going to close below this zone where resistance also was held. So yeah. So trying to get into trades now at GJ is probably a bad idea. It's done the move. If you missed the move now, trying to get in early here, it's not good. Not early, sorry, late. It's quite bad. So in rejection, yeah, for sure. Okay, Brian, I joined Sasha 4 months ago. So good. He has a set in his ways daily, just like Max textbook trades. Yeah, Sasha's my boy. It's never a crime to call it a day right now. In and out like a morning quickie. Yes, sir. Yeah, so resistance, really rejecting them highs. In a minute's time, it's going to be closing resistance. Also, why do you prefer fixed lot on magic keys over a set percentage? Because, as I said before, the percentages, if I get into a nice trade with like a 5-pip stop, then I'm still going to be risking the full 1.4% with such a small stop. I just like the set thing. And if you try and do double in like your lots, I don't know. I just like a set lot. It's just what I like to do. It means if you do have a really bad trade and it hits 10 pips, you know that it's a set lot. It's not going to hit you in the ass. I don't know. I just like it. If people like any different, that's fair enough. But for me, I like it. Do you ever trail your stop loss? Every so often. Every so often I do, but sometimes maybe not. What was this? If so, how much points you set for trailing? So if I trail a trade over here, I'll be trailing them on the 15 minutes normally, on the lows. So that's normally what I do, or maybe the 30 minutes if I wanted to give it a bit more time. So for example here, this would be my trail at 876. This is looking good now on gold. Looking good now. Can we buy GJ again? No. No. Yeah, I like Sasha. I joined Monty start of the year. The value you get for £5 a week, incredible. Pure analysis, no clout, no flex. It's the only way to progress. Yeah, Monty's a good lad. I speak to Monty quite a lot as well. He's all my boys. Almost every gold analysis was predicting gold to melt, and it shot up. To who? Oh, is this yesterday? If you guys haven't liked the stream yet and you guys have caught that trade we did before, make sure to like the stream. And if you've learned anything, make sure to like it. It really helps out with the channel. And as we said, more likes, the more views, therefore the more monetization, therefore the more giveaways. 30-minute close under resistance, no bias for who ask if it's a buy. Yeah, exactly. So 30 minutes closed below, it's rejecting them highs. Taking buys now is going to be very risky. It closed doji, it shows indecision. Yeah, not good. Not good. Yeah, exactly, man. These are the trades that are going to piss you off if you try and take it. If you take a buy now, it could work. If you take a sell now, it could work. But it's not a good setup, like, we don't know. So, have to be chill. Let me pause this over here, stop recording. There we go. And yeah, beautiful. So yeah, a very, very simple day as usual. Let's take a look. Oh, this is JJ buy. So looking at the EMAs over here, price was ranging during Asian. So look, again, if the price ranges through Asian, normally you get some volume through London, so that's pretty good. Price broke out the 30-minute, could have took the trade then, but because it didn't have no bottom wick, I stayed patient and waited for it to close outside. Took an entry when the candle made its bottom wick and flipped, got in a bit late, but it was fine. Amazing. Amazing. Close partials, let the rest run on it. Very, very nice. Simple. Love the GG's this morning. 7 pip stop loss, that's why we do this shit. Yes, my boy. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, so our risk to reward there was very good. I mean, so now gold over here, let's take a look. The 15 closed below, yeah, it should continue to come down. The only issue you have is getting in a trade now is, look, 27 minutes left of the 30-minute. Is that going to be the high, the 30-minute? Probably not. So to get into a trade, I'd probably want to wait until it comes up, taps this zone again, and then drives. That's what I'd want to be safe with the on gold, I think. GJ is he short? Yeah, it looks like it is rejecting them highs, but I wouldn't say it's a pretty nice short, but could work. I have 12 pips on short, nice. Hopefully that goes well. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is still bullish though. Daily still bullish. Hourly is just bearish though. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So what am I going to be looking for NY session? For me, probably a continuation of the bulls. We know between 9:30, 11:30 we normally relax, and then at 11:30, 12 o'clock we start going again, start getting the drives, which could be very, very fun. Yeah, boy. Let's try and get to 100 likes, guys. We still haven't hit that milestone yet. 100 likes in the stream. We'll get there soon. We're growing at a fast pace, and I'm taking basically the past couple of days as well on YouTube. I've been taking some pretty good trades, and we've all been eating very, very well. Oh, look at GBP/USD. Really, really close back in at the bottom of the range. Max's stream is very underrated. It's the business, solid lad. Yeah, boy. 1 week strong resistance. It's amazing. You take here by. Maybe not. Look at these 5-minute candles that are starting to approach. But for me, I've already done the trade. Why would I want to try and get in again? There's no point. There's no point, boy. But look at these wicks already rejecting them lows. Could be interesting. I'll just see it if it continues. Has anyone still got any runners on? Mine's completely off now. I got into gold cells and got stopped out. Okay, let's take a look. You got stopped out? How did you get stopped out? Where did you get it? Look at that 5-minute closure here. Oof, that was nice as well. That was tasty. Gold cell, yeah. Send me a chart because I don't know where you got in. Did you get in like here? Is quite nice, really. I don't really know how you got in. I don't know how you got in, man. Wow, GA. I mean, trending here. Look at the 7:38 and 8 o'clock candles. Damn. Definitely underrated. Hella of a channel. Yeah, man. Yeah, boys, what we do. Let's see this cup of tea then. Let's see. Is it still cold? Sorry, is it still hot? Nah, that's really, really bad cup of tea. Oh, rough. Oh, GJ is coming up. Look at the 5 minutes now. Holy shit, round two. Go on, GJ, run off, boy. Got a nice zone to fill. Hopefully you can continue. Any more questions, guys? I liked them questions before, but now the questions have stopped. Give me some more questions. I put on chat. I'm just looking up and see if there's anything else. There's no one else. Why didn't you take these gold cells, bro? Because I just finished GJ and I was kind of waiting for the hourly. Was it? I was kind of waiting for I wanted to wait for the last hourly and it pulled up, which kind of like was against me. I don't know why, to be honest. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't know why, to be honest. I probably should have. But I think I was just happy with my GJ trade over here. GJ trade. But finally, there was some GJ volume over here. It pushed nice. Oh my god, it's continuing. Look at the 5 minute. Holy smokes. Absolutely been a fan for a while, and it was nice to see him grow and progress. Enjoy it. How do you decide what time frame is best for an entry between 15 and 30? It all kind of depends, really. I think mainly I'll be looking at the 15s, but if like a candle closes like against me and stuff, then I'll be looking at the 30 for the flip, etc. I don't know. It kind of just depends. I just flip between the two, to be honest. How are you, Geezer? Very, very good, my man. Very, very good. Why didn't you take them cells? I don't know. I just I was busy looking at GJ. Maybe we can take another buy if we can get some good closures. Yeah, for me, I'm not going to take any more buys, and the main issue is because of the rejection. I don't like that. I think the rejection over here is a bit. Ooh, it's a bit too much. A bit too much. How many months have you been trading independently without following registry? That is, probably like a year and a half, I'd say. 2 years, probably. Around about that time, I think. 1.5, 2 years. Yeah. Because oh, look at this. Should be dropping down now. We have a little minor support here. Minor support. Hopefully, you can continue down. Nice. Hopefully. Oh, beautiful. Wickedy wow woo. That's so sick. Someone has just joined the mentorship on XRP. Nice. Get my crypto portfolio up for sure. Yeah, nothing really much going on now over here. That gold trade was nice. I mean, where was it? 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8 o'clock here. Oof. It's a big volume. If I'm profitable for 3 months, should I do a funded account? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Because it all depends on the month, right? If you do a trade account, you need to be careful with, you're like, oh shit, I need to make more percentage this month. It'll skew your bias. Yeah, break even for me on that gold trade. Where did you get in? Like here? Yeah, the hourlies though here.
Nah, bro. I just took it on that 30-minute.
Jeez, took it to his boys. You also do crypto? Max, the mentorship is payment only via crypto. No, it's crypto, credit card, debit card, PayPal. It's all of them. Do you also do crypto? I don't trade crypto like this. I just hold a couple, yeah. Hold a bit. Why not? Why not, eh? Caught the GJ trade, 10 pips. Nice. What, just now? Right there, man. Ah, yeah, so like roundabout gold here. 80165. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, that's fair. That was a good try, good practice, but break-even trade over here now. Now you're being some serious drawdown, so very, very good managing the trade. You wanted price to come down, hit the lows, and couldn't do it, unfortunately. Beautiful. When did you know you were ready to do funded talent? When I could just comfortably take trades every week and make money, basically. Yeah. Do other forms of trading or just focus on FX? Just focus on FX, just focus on 2 pairs, 3 pairs. Yep. No point looking at like 20 pairs. No point, boy. Yeah, now, dude. Potentially looking at NY, yeah. Nice. What ones are you in, if you don't mind me asking? I've got some XRP, got some Cardano, got some Ethereum, got some what other ones? I don't know about any other ones, but yeah, they're the main ones. I actually bought XRP in 2018, and then I sent the XRP to the wrong wallet, so that's fucking great. And so it was worth of like 600 quid, and I'm like, why only put in 50 quid for it? Mad. A madness. I'm in a few myself. Nice. 56 likes, guys. Let's try and get this to 80 likes. Come on. Let's try and bash that like button if you guys have enjoyed the stream. If you are new here as well, make sure to come and subscribe. But yeah, very, very easy session over here. It's coming towards 8:43. But simple trades. But yeah, I think I may leave the session over here, guys, because we've already done the trades. We're happy with them. We've got them done. Job done. There's no point sitting here and chilling when we can go and do some other stuff. I might go and do a workout over here. That lawsuit not looking good for XRP, is it not? Oh. Oh. I didn't know how it was going, to be honest, so. Dreaming of becoming full trader, how much did you fund your account the moment you started full-time trading? It took me like 9 months to fund it. And yeah, pretty good. I wouldn't say dream, like try not to dream about it, just chill. You know, don't put it, like, you know, I think people think that I'm like, oh, like he's 21, you know, he's like a prodigy, he's like doing really well and stuff. I also went to uni and got a master degree, so I'm not like stupid. I've got plan Bs, I've got stuff aligned where I don't have to be so much pressure on making money on trading. You know, if things don't work out, I've got a backup. I'm a master of finance, you know. If you don't have that and you don't have a backup plan, it's giving you kind of more stress. So always remember that you need a plan B, no matter how like.
So you don't want to be like me, where 19 I didn't go uni. Nah, I'm joking.
Shut up, man. Yeah.
Nah, all my friends like all go uni, and I just do FOREX and work. But to be honest, I got so much free time now.
Yeah, true.
I enjoy it.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
I know all my friends are like stressing over uni work and shit.
Yeah.
And I'm just chilling, man.
Exactly, man. Which session do you have a better win rate, NY or London? Ooh, probably London, because, yeah, I think probably London. I don't know, actually. I don't know. Probably pretty similar, I think. Pretty similar. Why do you prefer pre-NY over NY Open and NYSE Open? I don't like pre-NY. I just kind of look at the charts around about 12 o'clock for pre-NY. That's where the volume starts to kick in. But I also look at it over the NY Open. Normally through gold, I like looking at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and GJ normally like maybe move at 11:30, 12. What's your biggest loss in trading? Probably like, I don't know, like $5,000 in like a day or something. I don't know, something like that. Something stupid. My first meeting with crypto, same story. I invested in ETH back in 2017. ETH buy for as a noob, sent to the wrong wallet. Yeah, man, it's a fucking pain in the ass. What's the biggest hurdle you had to overcome that changed you and turned you profitable? My psychology and my emotions. By far. Single-handedly, the one thing that you have to master. If you don't master it, you're going to be bugged. I invested 2K. Oh, it's a shame, bro. Yeah, so like, you know, all the setups and stuff, these are easy. It's about the psychology, and you know, when I was younger, before when I was trading, oh my god, my psychology was bad, very, very bad. But yeah, especially like with our group over here, we literally go and talk about in-depth psychology because it's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Yeah, great questions today, though, guys. I like that. A lot more questions. I'm liking that. I like it a lot. 80 people in here, amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream, what are you guys doing? Make sure to like the stream. We've already taken our beautiful trade today. Peace out, guys. I'm out. See you later, my man. Thank you very much, Jay. Peace out, bro.
See you later.
See you later. See you later. Yeah, beautiful. 78 people, man. Jeez. I was so sad and angry. How I'm so stupid. Yeah, I know. Me too. I think I just clicked the wrong thing. Because now you can just copy them, but before I had to type it in, and I didn't trust it. But yeah, bit of a pain. Bit of a pain in the ass. Did you blow your account before? Yes, I have blown probably about 15 accounts. In the first year, probably. When I turned 18 as well, especially on my own account, yeah, that was not good. That was not good. All of my money I made when I was younger just gone. How to bounce back after a long or weak loss? Get the confidence back by probably simulating, back testing, reduce your lot sizes, all that kind of stuff. All that kind of stuff, man. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up over here. Very, very nice. Easy trades today. as usual, you've got 30 pips on GJ. But yeah, I'm going to leave it to the stream today, guys. Thank you very much for coming on. And I'll see you guys in the mentorship for NY session. And I'll see you guys on YouTube tomorrow. So before you guys leave, make sure to like the stream. And yeah, thank you very, very much, guys, for coming on over here. Very, very fun, as usual. But yeah, guys, thank you very much. And peace out. Peace out, guys. See you later, guys. Peace out.